Well, good morning, YouTube. AJ Shaver here. This machine just came in used from Maryland. The owner just left. So when you get this moved into position, I've got a 2-cord order that we're going to knock out today. So let me do a quick walk around, tell you about the machine, and we'll get things set up. So this is a 2020 machine from SplitForce, USA. It is their 1824 gas machine. That is a 38 horsepower Kohler EFI. I'll show you the serial tag here. We did sell this one new. So December 23rd of 2020, 1824 processor. So we have the oil cooler fan, the bar oil container, the last log holder. This is a 14-foot side-to-side pivot conveyor. It sits right about 13.3 all the way up in the stored position. We are going to sell this with the full wedge package, 4-way, 6-way, 8-way. We're going to leave that 8-way right in there if we're doing what we got to do. Traditional splitter valve. It is coming with a full set of chains. That's a chainsaw chain, that's why I had it set out different. Nice highway towable axle. It's a torsion axle. Chris said it pulled like a dream coming up here. It is the extended frame. You will get right about like 22 to 24 inches worth of cutting diameter on this. You will pick up the full 24-foot log. Hydraulically adjustable wedge, hydraulic raise and lower conveyor, hydraulic side-to-side tilt. That's all down here. You even get a flow valve for conveyor chain speed. Oversized oil tank with in-tank filter. Auxiliary fuel tank and a toolbox. This is all the extra chains they're going to ship with this unit. We'll get it moved back into location where I want to split. We're going to take it back there past my 18 diesel to where you see the excavator. And then we'll move the dumpster truck in. I'm going to put 2 cords in the back of that and take it over to my buddy. So we're gonna use the Ram 5500, the big can that we had 3 cords in the other day. So this is my new wood pile, and it's green as green can be. Then this stuff here has all been not processed, but it's been cut for about 2.5. This is probably the 3rd season. So we have the live deck all evened up. You want so you have equal pressure on all 4 legs, plus up here on the machine. That way it gives you the best stability. All hydraulic setup. We've got the 14-foot conveyor going straight into the dumpster. I'll pull the whole truck and everything forward as we start filling. We'll use the excavator to load up the live deck here and get all of this stuff processed. The 4-way, the 6-way, and we are running with the 8-way in it. So again, this is a 2020, just shy of like 800 hours on this unit. right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and load up another live deck. I'm gonna move the camera for some maybe YouTube shorts with like a vertical split to it, or split screen. So stay tuned. We'll get the rest of this done and go from there. Well, good amount of sawdust. I'm gonna call it 2 cords because by the time I close that door and pick it up on there, it'll kind of slide backwards because it's 2.5 cords right to the top of those 53-inch sides. We even got going enough that the old oil cord kicked on. So yeah, it's about a 42-degree day. Good amount of sawdust. We kicked off the short pieces. That 8-way worked really nice. We'll get this can drug out so I can close that door, and we'll go make a delivery. Alright YouTube, this is our used 1824 gas machine. It is a 2020 model, just shy of 800 hours. Again, we're going to sell this with the 4-way, the 6-way, and the 8-way, so you get all 3 wedges. It is the 14-foot straight conveyor that does pivot side to side. Because it's an 18 series, you get the last dog holder as well. The wedge is hydraulically adjustable up and down. Everything on this unit is a hydraulic setup, so the conveyor up and down, no winches, the side to side, no manual push, but it's hydraulic. The live deck is up and down hydraulically. Everything on this is hydraulic, so if you can't set this up in like 2 minutes or less, you're doing something wrong, because we've got the videos out there where we're doing it. The nice thing with this unit, I remember selling this new to the customer. We were setting up here behind the camera, running it, and Chris and his son pulled in. We had the light tower on. It was late at night. I'm just hammering through stuff. We put him with the controls, and it's just exciting to see just how these machines get used and just how the customer, you know, adapts from one phase to the next. And so we're letting this one go. Give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. And happy to work up a sales quote on this one or a new one from Timberwolf. So give us that phone call. Shoot us an email at sales@shaverequipment.com. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. Now I'm going to go deliver this 2-cord order out to Mr. Ed, and we'll go from there, folks. So we'll see you next time, and remember, I'm always working hard to be lazy. Thanks again.